but I guess applies to any industry. No? Restaurant industry applies too, and all the other industries. And then the second one is uh, whenever I say location does matter, in my specific world, which is the investing, the company where I lost most of my money, it was not because I didn't purchase right, not because I didn't acquire the right funds, not because it was not a good deal in the Excel spreadsheet. It was because it was in front of an elementary school. I could not sell that property, even though it was well priced. It was a beautiful flip, even modern European cabinets.
Interesting.
The whole 9 yards in that flip. Great location, which is West Avenue in Blanco, outside, a little outside, really close to Castle Hills.
Yes.
I could not get an offer because literally buyers will drive up, will see the elementary school, and they will say, nah, I don't want to be in front of the school. It was crazy. It was a home run for us. It didn't, and we lost more than $25,000. So that will be the second one.
Yeah.
Location doesn't matter. Yesterday, somebody pitched me, sent me a property. Literally, I saw the property, the backyard of the property. It was the ramp of 35 and 281.
Okay.
I was like, nope. Maybe if I will hold it, maybe if I put a renter in there. But as far as, you need to walk through the buyer's shoes and see the emotional part of that process. So that will be the third golden nugget, I guess.
Yeah.
If you're going to flip, you have to see also the intangibles, I believe it's called.
Yeah.
Right? Whenever what the buyers put the shoes on
Yep.
and see what they feel, the neighbor, whatever it is, because it's not about the Excel spreadsheet, it's about the human element.
Sure.